Hello everyone, hope you're doing well and welcome to the JavaScript complete course. In this video we're going to talk about DOM create methods using JavaScript. So before jumping over to the main point, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get the notification of my new video when I upload them. Alright, so let's get started. So DOM has three created methods, which are createElement, createTextNode and createComment. So by using the createElement method, you can create any type of tag you want, like p tag, h2 tag, div tag, and so on. By using the createTextNode, you can create a simple text on your web page, and by using the createComment, you can add a comment in your HTML by using JavaScript. So now let's jump over to the source code and let's practice this. So here is a HTML file, and I have a JavaScript. So now you can see here I have created a simple page to practice in it. And first let's jump over to the JavaScript, and here I'm going to create a variable. So first I'm going to work on a create element. So this one will be element is equal to document dot create element. That's it. And inside the opening and closing parentheses, inside the double quotation, we are going to specify the element that we want to create. Like I want to create a simple paragraph, so I'm going to just type p. And now inside the console, I'm going to specify the variable name. Here we go. Now let's save this, and now let's right click, come to the inspect, and let's come to the console, and here you can see the paragraph is created by using the JavaScript file. And also if you want to create h1 tag, you can also specify h1, and here we go, it will create an h1 element. And also if you want to add a simple text, so for this we are going to create a new variable, and here I'm going to specify the name, which will be new text is equal to document dot create text node. And here inside the double quotation we are going to specify type the text that you want to print in console. And now let's jump over, and here we're going to print this by using the console and new text. And when I save this, here you can see it prints the text for us. Text, the character is not limited. Comment in your web page by using the JavaScript. Comment is equal to document dot create comment. And here we're going to just type the comment. This is a comment. And now let's print this new comment. And when I save this, here you can see it will print the comment for us as well. So this is the uses of the DOM create methods, which are create element, create text node, and create comment. By using the create element, you can easily create any type of element in your HTML by using JavaScript. By using the create text node, you can easily add a text in your HTML file by using the JavaScript. And by create comment, you can add the comment in your HTML file by using JavaScript as well. So hope you understand until this point. If you have any question, any suggestion, please leave the comment below. If you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel so that you'll get the notification of my new video when I upload them.